MAVEN is a collaborative project among 7 European partners that was selected by the European Commission to be one of the projects funded under the Research for SMEs initiative, which is part of the 7th Framework Program. Research for SMEs is a dedicated initiative to strengthen SME innovation capacities by providing the support they need to outsource research critical to their core business. It aims at developing technical solutions to problems common to a large number of SMEs in specific industrial sectors or segments of the value chain. Projects must be driven by the SMEs, which are given the opportunity to subcontract research to RTD performers in order to acquire the technological knowledge they need. The efficient management of large amounts of multimedia files is a challenging task, especially in industrial environments. The first direct demand regards how to easily search contents within highly populated galleries. The second relevant issue concerns how to verify that contents and the information they convey are genuine and thus credible. Despite the advances in the security and media sectors, MAVEN arose from the need to provide such industries with a suite of advanced technological solutions able to operate in a range of realistic scenarios: CCTV, web images, broadcast data, etc. The project results will allow SMEs, law enforcement bodies, press agencies, insurance companies, and broadcasting companies, among others, to manage their multimedia assets and verify content integrity and authenticity, all in an efficient and scalable manner. The MAVEN project will develop a set of tools for multimedia data management and security. Given the large amount of multimedia contents that are circulating daily in personal and industrial environments, it is highly important that integrity and authenticity verification can be carried out in an efficient and scalable way. In this regard, the fact that not all multimedia contents have the same degree of importance must be taken into account. In fact, when checking the authenticity of multimedia data, interest usually lies in focusing the analysis on certain interesting patterns occurring in the multimedia content, such as persons, texts, specific objects, etc. This gives rise to the search and verify concept that is central to the MAVEN project, which supports both functionalities in an integrated and coherent manner, as opposed to any other tool currently available on the market.
MAVEN is built around the concept of search and verify. On one hand, it provides technologies for efficiently searching patterns and objects of interest in multimedia contents, and on the other hand, it provides technologies for verifying the authenticity of those contents. The official kickoff meeting was held in October 2013, but there was a lot of hard work before that, during the preparation of the proposal and the negotiation. There are 4 different companies and 3 research centers taking part in the MAVEN consortium. The companies participating are Amped from Italy, Tiger from Austria, Arthos from Macedonia, and Extreme from Spain. As for the research centers, they are Zenit and the Cagliari University from Italy, and Gradient from Spain, which also coordinates the project. The companies in the consortium are in the project because they have a deep understanding of their respective markets, and they identify the need for a set of innovative tools. The research centers, on the other hand, are among the best in their respective fields, so they have the skills needed to develop the technologies demanded by these companies.
ArtHouse was developed in 2002 and is based in Skopje, Macedonia. It is an IT services company that focuses on delivering high-quality, efficient, and custom software solutions to small and medium-sized companies around the world. Founded in 2002 with the purpose of developing advanced software products for the management, filing, and dissemination of audiovisual content within institutional, corporate, and media markets. In addition to its products, Extreme also offers custom design and development services for comprehensive multimedia content management systems. It has specialists with a broad range of experience in the development of complex systems based on media technologies, open architectures, etc.
Gradient is the Galician ICT Research and Development Center with a clear focus on security, intelligence, and connectivity technologies. Our aim is to help companies to become more competitive through applied research, development, and innovation.
Tiger is a technical innovation company that develops products and services for intelligent information access. To do this, it is based on 3 fundamental technological pillars: search engines, linguistic processing for text resources and multimedia content processing, and, finally, semantic techniques. The company's headquarters is in Europe, although it also has offices in the United States and Asia. The software solution for image and data processing for forensic applications. Our main specialization includes different kinds of applications, forensic video enhancement, and forensic image and video authentication. Our main products are tailored to central police labs and labs dedicated to intelligence and investigations. Currently, we have customers in these kinds of segments in around 50 countries all over the world.
Anyway, in projects like this, which are aimed at developing close-to-market solutions and with a high component of research, special attention must be put so that the main requirements are clearly established from the very beginning, and that agile development strategies are also put in place from the very beginning as well.
ArtHouse was chosen to take part in the MAVEN project because of its experience in the commercialization of TopSnap, a web-based photo management system for professional photographers, where there is a real need for tools like MAVEN. Extreme is a technology-based Spanish SME for which innovation is a key element of differentiation and competitiveness, making possible the development and growth of the company's activities. It has certified the comprehensive management of software development and maintenance project life cycles under the ISO 15504 standard, also known as SPICE, as well as its focus on continuous improvement in the processes affected and ongoing communication with its clients. The European Commission, through its research and innovation projects, seeks to strengthen the participation of small and medium-sized companies owning potentially innovative technology that could reach new markets. Tiger is an essential partner, not only because of the technology that it already has, but also because of the technology it intends to acquire as part of this project. Tiger will market this new technology as part of its commercialization efforts in the United States and Asia, particularly in Singapore, where there are various projects to which this technology could be applied. As an end user of the developed technologies, we are participating for the aspect of providing a current application for image authentication. In the search and verify context of the MAVEN project, AMPT is strongly focused on the verify aspect, and among the different applications that derive from this part of the project, we are focused on the forensic and investigative application. ArtHouse's main focus is to extend the current portfolio with products that are completely different to the other products, offering custom integration of the MAVEN modules into customers' existing applications, or the development of new custom solutions that will incorporate the MAVEN modules. Thanks to the ongoing effort from the Extreme R&D team, it has been possible to develop an advanced portfolio of our own software solutions, comprehensive security system management, digital content management in legal, institutional, and corporate environments, and the recording, filing, and distribution of multimedia contents in the audiovisual production and dissemination sector. Extreme's participation in a program such as Research for SMEs is part of Extreme's commitment to being able to continue producing innovative technology will be incorporated into our solutions, increasing their competitiveness and differentiation in European and Latin American markets. Tiger's aim in participating in this project, the MAVEN project, is to acquire new technology linked to the analysis of multimedia content, images, audio, and video, with the objective of integrating it into our Tiger iSearch search engine.
In other words, we take technologies with a low maturity level and we convert them in technologies ready for the market.
Thanks to the MAVEN project, we developed our main new filters, which are very effective. They basically work in an automatic manner and perform much better and more intelligently than our current tools. Then, a decision fusion framework, which is a smart way to put together information that is sometimes diverse from different filters and merge the data with the features of the image, which would affect the filter performance. And then, probably the biggest part of our interest, because we were starting from scratch, is the development of tools for video authentication, which has been a very big part, important in the MAVEN project, and will allow us to launch new and innovative products which are not available at all in the market normally. At the moment, there are 4 ArtHouse employees involved in the MAVEN project. Extreme personnel have wide-ranging, well-recognized experience in the ITC and audiovisual sector. A total of 4 people from the innovation, development, and software quality teams have participated continuously in the MAVEN project. Additionally, professionals from the sales, development, and operations departments have collaborated at different times contributing to specifying, tracking, and validating the MAVEN development's capacity for integration into Extreme's current solutions portfolio. Tiger's participation in this project takes place through different departments distributed throughout its European offices. Specifically, the project management and execution is handled by the Tiger R&D department, Tiger Labs, and the final transfer of the technology in the project, including the application and client rollout, is handled by the development department. Globally, in the MAVEN project, 4 different people from AMPT are working on it. I personally coordinate AMPT's activity during the whole project, managing all aspects of it, all the administrative tasks, the technical part, and dissemination. 2 persons have worked on the technical part, while another person has helped me with a lot of dissemination. We really did a lot of promotion, working on the dissemination in our blog. MAVEN has been presented in many forensic industry events. General features of the MAVEN demonstrator application. Designed with a client-server architecture. The different search and verification operations can be selected from the client GUI application. The server application runs the multimedia processing algorithms and implements a RESTful web interface to allow access from the GUI. The demonstrator application integrates the different tools in the MAVEN suite: text location and extraction, object and scene recognition, face detection and recognition, image and video integrity verification, video and image source identification, text location and extraction operation. The task is created and input data is selected. The task is run in the server and the result is retrieved and shown in the client application. The result is represented with an in-painted box containing the extracted text. The task is created and the input data selected. The input data is a recording of the phrase, "A muscular abdomen is good for your back." The language is set to English by default, and the language model is set to 3. Keywords searched are abdomen and back. The task is to run in the server, and the result is shown in the client application, indicating the parts of the recording in which the searched words were found. Face detection and recognition. The task is created and the input data selected. Different parameters can be configured. The task is run in the server and the result is shown in the client application, showing 2 recognized faces and their identities. Image integrity verification. The task is created and the input data selected. The input data is the same used for face recognition. The integrity of the image is checked in the server, and the result is retrieved and shown as an overlaid probability map. The face region containing a male face is identified as tampered with.